Olymp Trade demo account versus real account. Let's understand the difference. Choosing between a demo account and a real account in Olymp Trade depends on your trading objectives and experience level. So here is a breakdown of the key differences between the two. 1. Demo account. A demo account is perfect for beginners who are new for trading and want to familiarize themselves with the platform. It provides a risk-free environment for practicing trading strategies and learning how to execute trades without risking real money. You are given a virtual balance that stimulates real market conditions, allowing you to test different trading strategies and techniques. And since you're not trading with real funds, there is no risk of losing money. It's a safe way to gain confidence and experience in trading. The real trade account is a real account that allows you to trade with actual funds, giving you the opportunity to profit from the successful trades. With real trading, there is potential for both profit and loss. Your trading decisions directly impact your financial outcomes. You experience real market conditions, including price fluctuations, order execution, and market volatility. Trading with real funds involves risk, and it's essential to manage your risk effectively by using proper risk management techniques. So, beginners may start with a demo account to gain experience before transitioning to a real account. Consider your trading objectives. If you're focused on learning and practicing, a demo account may be suitable. If you're aiming for profit generation, a real account is necessary. Access your risk tolerance and comfort level with trading real funds. Start with a demo account if you're hesitant about risking real money. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.